This corner of Sumatra once faced severe devastation. Deforestation, poaching, and destructive fishing practices threatened both the environment and the communities that depended on it. These activities not only endangered nature, but also disrupted the lives of those who relied on its resources for survival. Since 1996, Arthagraha Peduli has led a gradual recovery, planting over 1 million native trees to heal the damaged ecosystem. Through forest patrols, education, and community involvement in reforestation and waste management, we've revitalized the land and improved local livelihoods, offering scholarships and healthcare initiatives. Our efforts to conserve wildlife have led to the release of 6 Sumatran tigers back into their natural habitat, with 7 more still under rehabilitation. One released tiger even returned to give birth to 3 cubs Bintang, Topin, and Petir, signaling new hope for the species. Tambling Wildlife Nature Conservation, restoring what was lost, preserving nature for a greener future. Together, we walk towards sustainability. If we protect Mother Earth will protect us.